Hey there, 3D enthusiasts. Nodevember is here, and we've got something extraordinary to share with you. Get ready to explore the fantastic world of Blender, where geometric and shader nodes take center stage. First off, take a look at this jaw-dropping project, entirely created using geometric nodes and shader nodes in Blender. It's like magic, right? But there's more to this enchanting software than meets the eye. Blender isn't just a software, it's your very own magic wand. Let me tell you why more and more creators are embracing it. It's Nodevember, and Blender is the ultimate tool for the job. With powerful geometric and shader nodes, you can bring your wildest ideas to life with just a few clicks. And here's the real deal: Blender is open source and free. That's right, you can create stunning 3D art without breaking the bank. Don't wave your magic wand alone. Blender has an incredible community of fellow wizards who love to share their wisdom and creations. It's like joining the worldwide spellcasting academy. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. Blender works its magic on Windows, macOS, and Linux. No matter what kind of spellbook you prefer, Blender's got your back. Who has time for waiting? With Blender's EV rendering engine, you can witness your creations come to life in real time, right before your eyes. Guess what? Blender is not just for wizards in training. It's making waves in the professional world too. Studios are starting to recognize its immense potential. Don't worry if you're new to this magical world. Blender offers an endless library of tutorials, documentation, and guides. It's like having access to spellbooks and potion recipes to master your craft. So, as you embrace Nodevember and your fantastic creations, remember that Blender is your ultimate spellbook, with geometric and shader nodes as your magic potions. Join us in this enchanted journey and become a part of a community of wizards. May your 3D dreams come to life, and remember, the magic is all within Blender. And that's a wrap for today. Stay enchanted, and we'll see you in the next magical adventure with Blender.